So my major is business, so I did my project on businesses and how they affect the environment or how there are things that could be changing to help improve the environment in business. Before majoring in business, I really had no idea how many things businesses do that can harm the environment or how easy they could be fixed to better the environment. A couple of the major problems are air conditioning and heating. So the pumps are using greenhouse gases and pumping them into the air. Most companies don't have the technology to reduce the amount of heat and air they use, but that's something they could be looking into that could save them money in the long run and help the environment as well. The second thing is the buildings. They're built from materials that are non-renewable. We can't really do much about the already standing buildings, but we can always do something for the future buildings, which is called LEED construction. It can be very pricey, but it would really benefit the environment if the businesses did build their buildings with that construction and getting approved for that. Paper, there is so much paper use in all businesses, not just one business, two business, every business is wasting paper. For example, at my job, I work at the bank and we use so much paper, it's not even real. Instead of having customers sign the paper when you open an account, loan, credit card, etc., why is this not electronic? Why do we not have a little pad that when they sign, it just goes right onto the system? Then we don't have to use the paper, because what we do is they sign the paper, we scan it down and shred it the next day. So we're really wasting it like big time. And I think paper usage can be the easiest way to help the environment. That can be the simplest one that we can start with, to be honest. Going green, so starting small. Things that they can do is install water dispensing systems. Water dispensing systems are pretty much, instead of using bottled water or offering bottled waters to your customer, have an actual dispenser that they just put the water out and they fill up their cup or fill up their water bottle. Or, I mean, you're still cutting down on bottles. Hopefully they're not using bottles. They should be using like a Yeti or something like a Yeti, or even just a water bottle that they bought from the store. That would cut down a lot of the plastic use. Lights, LED fixtures. If you just change from traditional bulbs to the LED bulbs, you're saving money on your electric bill, but you're also saving the environment at the same time, and they're not an expensive switch. So these are some small things that you can do. Landscaping as well. Putting in plants can take away the carbon dioxide from the building, saving the environment and making the company look good as well. So you're spending a little bit of money on making the business look good, but you're also keeping the environment clean. Those are just some small things that the businesses can start with to better the environment or go green. Now, making the switch, like really switching over, doing a lot, they could do low flow toilets. Now, to me, this is not expensive. They're a little over $100, but you'll save money in the use of your water in the end. $100 to save the environment, I think that's well worth it. And I think that that's pretty reasonable for a business to afford. Motion sensor lights. Lights that aren't being used should be on this, right? So that would solve the problem. So if you just had motion sensor lights, then you would never have to worry about turning a light off. If you're not in there, it's automatically turning off, and when you walk in, it turns on. So it's fairly simple. Not too expensive either. I think that's something a lot of businesses should use. We do have that in one part of my job, but not in every room. I don't know why, but it's only in the kitchen. Paper usage. Encourage employees to look and read before printing to determine what's necessary to print and what's not. So if you send out if something gets sent out, or your employees are looking something up, they don't need to print everything. Things change all the time anyways. So read it, save it, move on. Save it to your computer and move on. Don't print it out. Buildings. Redesigning, or when building the building, make the building green by using recycled materials, renewable resources, etc. This can be very costly, but can really save our environment big time and can save your business a lot of money. So now we're at the cost. And there really is no direct cost that I could find anyways. I looked all over, could not find an average cost or anything like that. The first building that was built was the Banner Bank office building in Idaho. That was LEED certified. That's what I mentioned earlier. It said it did cost $26.15 million to do that, which is a lot of money, but it never really said how much they saved, but it did say, that they were using 50% less energy and 65% less water. So I don't know if there's a way we can do this at not so costly, but $26 million, that is kind of a lot, but hopefully that all depends on the size of the building, the area, and stuff like that being major factors in the cost. I don't think it would be $26 million for every business. So maybe if we can start with the small ones and maybe get the bigger companies to do it later.